You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Let me start by saying I respect Ninja Man for all the work he has done, but if Ninja Man is guilty of murder then he deserves whatever the judge hand down, but I do respect his work as far as his charity etc. And now the news. Ninja Man and his co-accused will know their fate on Friday, December 15. The veteran dancehall DJ's sentencing hearing following his murder conviction is set for tomorrow morning. Last month Ninja Man along with his son Janiel and Dennis Clayton were found guilty for the 2009 murder of Ricardo Ricky Trooper Johnson in Lower Marl Road, Kingston 13. Ninja Man is facing the possibility of life imprisonment, however his attorney has already indicated that they'll be filing an appeal. The former Down Sound Records DJ's legal team is also asking the judge to be lenient in his sentencing while pointing to the Don Gorgon's charitable work in his community over the years. Several persons whom he has helped in the past are also expected to speak in court on his behalf. And that is the latest news on Ninja Man. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. Until the next video, he who trusts in vanity has no love for humanity, shall fade away, said Ninja Man. I'm out.